It's day 13 of my reverse advent calendar where instead of receiving, I'm giving away, selling, or donating 10 things a day. Okay, so I sold a book. I got a pending payment for this microphone. So now I need 7 more items. So I found these 3 stuffies and I will donate them to the local animal shelter. I looked up a lot of places with kids and they don't accept stuffies because of like the whole hygiene process of washing them and stuff. So I thought the animals might not care. Okay, so I decided to throw away some more socks that I don't need, and I didn't even have a second pair of that one. Okay, I'm on my way to the animal shelter now. I hope this encourages you to also start donating to your local shelter. I'm pretty sure you will find something that doesn't benefit you anymore that could potentially benefit someone else in their life. And I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye!